Hey, what's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how can you add your own meta boxes in WordPress pages or any post type. So let's start. What is meta box? So in the WordPress I have a post type product. So let's see what is meta box. In this page, as you can see, product categories, product tags, product image and product short description. So these are meta boxes. So how can you add your own meta box by code? Here is a code add meta box. This function is used to add meta boxes in your WordPress. So first find out the code that we are going to use and then I will explain you about the code. So here is a meta box code. I'm going to copy this first. I'm going to paste it in my plugin file. You can also change the function's name, but I am not going to change it. So here I am. First of all, we have a ID. As you can see, we have first ID. This is the meta box ID. I am going to change the ID name. For example, I am writing there teacher. Teacher is. Then we have a meta box name. I mean title. I am going to also I am going to change it. Teacher name. After all, we have a callback function that we are going to use. Just copy the other code of the callback and paste it in your plugin. You can change the name of the callback. Also paste it there and then we have a screen. For example, so this is the screen, I mean URL. Either you can use post type name or you can use URL of the WordPress. So I am going to use post type name. So after that we have a advanced content, I mean position of the meta box. Either we want to show it there or we can show it there. So I am going to use side. By writing this I will see it there. After that we have a priority. So priority is also position like a way. For example, you want to show it upside or you want to show it downside. So I am going to give it default priority. It will adjust itself. So I am going to save the code and I will refresh the page. So as you can see, a meta box is created by name teacher name. It is blank because we do not add any functionality in the callback. So in the next step I am going to add it. For example, I am going to add an input field. I am going to search it. So there is a field. I am going to copy it. After that I am going to change their names. save it and go to the WordPress, refresh the page. So as you can see, a field is created, first name. So I am going to get the value if it is saved. First of all, I am going to use get post meta. So first of all, I am going to show you something. So I am going to print this post because we are going to use their ID. In the post, it is an object. So I am going to call it like object. After that, we need a meta key name. We need a condition if so what does that mean? If the value is not empty, then it will insert the value in the teacher variable. Otherwise, it will insert the value empty. Then I have to show the value there by concatenation. If there is a value, it will show there by this check. Otherwise, it will show empty. So I am going to comment this and refresh. So if the post is already saved with the value, then it will show there. Otherwise, it will show empty. So after that, we have to save the post. I am going to use left code. So there is a saving post code. So in this section, we are already getting a ID of the post. So this hook is used for saving post. It will trigger whenever a post save. In this field, we are going to save meta by update post meta. We need a post ID there and a key. Then we need a variable. We are going to add a check there if array key exists in the post. If this key exists in the post, then it will save, otherwise nothing. So we need a key. If this key exists, then it will save the meta, otherwise do nothing. So I am going to refresh it. So I am going to publish the product by the giving it title. So as you can see, it is giving us array because update post meta sometimes save it by array. So in the get post meta we are going to call the first index. So as you can see, this is Mango far is showing. So in this meta box we have created a meta box ID, title, callback function. Then where we are going to show the meta box, is it post type or any page link, and the other side we have a callback functionality. There in this functionality we have a input field to get the data from the user, and after that we are going to save the data for the user.